Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. It's October 3rd, and it's time to get to work in the garden. We've been kind of away from things for a while, but it's time to get back to it. And we've got us a load of compost, and I'm kind of ashamed to even look at the garden. Ever since about a year ago when we had our accident, things got out of hand. We just couldn't keep up with it. But the summer garden is finished. You can see I got a bunch of debt and got a bunch of weeds. It's going to be all hands on deck. We've got a few things still going in here, or trying to. This turmeric over here that was volunteer on its own, it's kind of toasty. The others doing better. We still have watermelons trying to go, but they're all little bitty. The heat is just working them over. We can keep getting ready to cover that. We've got to get this bed here taken care of, and we're going to use these beds over here. That's going to be we've got to get our onions out, and we'll see them. We have a few tomato plants hanging in there, but they're not doing anything. Our sweet potatoes, where we dug them, you can see we missed a few, and they have come back big time. We might even have another harvest. We've got some Seminole squash down there that's coming on pretty good, but we've got a few things growing still in here. We need to harvest off some of these that we've let get overripe. We've got a few cabbages. The bananas are doing good. They're still small. Hopefully they'll fatten on up. The plans are, and I think the last video I did was our onions. Now, we have not trimmed these onions at all, and we don't plan to. We're just going to put them in the ground. Now, these are 1015Ys, and they did really good. That's the Texas Grano. Now, these here are a Vidalia onion. I forget which variety exactly. They were supposed to be 500 seeds. They didn't germinate very well, but we'll have enough. We're going to try to keep seeds from these. Our broccoli here, you can see it's doing good. It needs in the ground. Our cilantro. And we've got a few kales and a few lettuces. But we've got some squash in here. It's doing okay. And we have some cucumbers over here. They're doing okay. We did pick one squash off, but they're just now starting to put on. Our radishes need to be harvested. They probably, a lot of them's going to be too big. Let me zoom out just a little bit here. And our carrots, I got them thinned. I need to come in here and thin these beets. And we're going to do some weeding. We have green beans. This is the second crop of, or our late crop of green beans. And they've got little green beans coming on here, so we will get a few messes off of these. The intent is we're going to come in here today. I pulled the watermelons back out that's over here. There are a few coming on there. We're going to redo the beds in here. We haven't done them in a couple years, and but what we're going to do, because this is kind of getting packed, we're going to go ahead, and I don't normally till, but we're going to till these beds, kind of level it where the rows are a little bit, the walkways are a little bit lower, and then we're going to come back and recoat them. But we won't be able to do a lot. We're going to do that one and this one, and we're going to move the rest of these citrus trees to the new greenhouse, and we'll do a video on where that's at. But we'll pull this plastic up. These have been in here for 3 years, so this is definitely going to be packed in. We're going to till this row, do it the same way, and start cleaning this up and get ready for winter. But anyway, that's where we're sitting. I'll try to keep you updated and not so far between videos. I hope you enjoyed this update. I hope maybe you won't feel so bad if yours is grown up with weeds and stuff. You'll take and look at mine and you'll say, if he can get that straightened out, I can get mine straightened out. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more, of course, hit that subscribe, hit the bell, select all, and of course, give it a big thumbs up and share this video. Enjoy that gardening experience.